Here's a pair of Sony headphones. This is the M6 model. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put the headphones into pairing mode. Now, if you can see the one side here with the power button here, you have this little, if it's blinking blue, then you know it's in pairing mode, okay? If it's blinking blue, that's not pairing mode. We need blue, okay? So the headphones are currently off. Let me turn these on first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Okay, now it's on. Now let me see if I get the blue. I don't. It's just blinking blue here. The reason is because I'm connected to one of my phones or another TV here. So let me turn these off first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Okay, now it's off. Now for me to manually put this into pairing mode, I'm going to press and hold the power button and hold it until the light starts blinking blue, okay? Power button here, press and hold, keep holding, still holding, blue. There we go, it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our TV, go to the settings if you have a settings button on your remote. If not, go to the home page, and then you want to navigate to the gear icon all the way over to the right there. Now we want to go down, and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select that. From here all the way down to other Bluetooth devices, select it, add Bluetooth devices, select it. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, okay? These are still in the pairing mode, it's still blinking blue, and it did find it. The M6 is right there, it's already highlighted. So I'm gonna select it. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these or couldn't get into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description below.